Hello, Professor. I am Kumudini Reddy. Today I am presenting my Assignment 3, a service request dashboard for Toronto's road and sidewalk services. This app allows citizens to view, track, and submit service requests for issues like potholes, damaged signs, and broken streetlights. It demonstrates recycler view architecture, custom dialogues, and dynamic data management. So if we look at my app, this is my app, and for customization A, my the domain I've chosen is road and sidewalk service requests, so that is the app title, and then I pre-populated it with sample requests of 10 categories like pothole repair, sidewalk repair, drainage repair, curb repair, etc. So for customization B, I have chosen the unique field to be a location. So I added the location field to store the address where the issue exists. And for customization C, I chose the long press to toggle priority. So for example, if this is let's try to long press to toggle the priority. So if I click on the priority for long time, the priority changes from normal to high, and the same from high to normal. So if I press like that, it will show us a message that the priority has changed to normal. So the UI refreshes automatically with the confirmation message. Now going back to the coding, I have a main activity file which has the main logic which handles the click dialogues. So I have populated with the sample requests and also functions for display requests for on toggle priority, long press priority, and I have a service request file where I have data for the class service request like ID, title, description, category, priority, status, date, and location. And I have a click listener file which defines the click handling methods, and I have a service request adapter which bridges the gap between data and recycler view. Now if we look at the XML files, the activity main file is for the main screen layout with header, recycler view, and the button. The service request item basically is the custom layout for each list item. The dialog request details, XML details dialog layout, and dialog add is for the add request dialog layout. So if I go back to my app, we already know that if we click on a particular request, it will show us a dialog with the details for each of this request. And if I want to update the status, I can click on this spinner and update to whatever the user wants. And if we click on the update button, the status will be updated as expected. So let's say we would like to change it to resolved, and if I click on update, it will be updated, the status will be updated. Now let's try to add a new request. So if I click on add new request, there is a new dialog for the add new request. If I click on add without entering any fields, it will complain by giving me a message that to please fill all the fields. So now let's enter some title, road marking issue, and invisible, let's put some description, invisible road marking. All the 10 categories are given in the form of a spinner. So if I choose road marking, let's make the priority high, and let me enter today's date, and if I enter the location. And if I click on the add button now, the new request has been added into the recycler view. When I click on it, obviously it will showcase all the details of the request. If I want to update the status, I can do that. It will be updated in real time, and if I try to long press, then the priority changes to normal if it's high, and if it's normal then it will be changed to high. So this is my implementation for assignment 3. Thank you for watching.